Mpumelelo was complaining that his father Musamseleku, every time he is doing things for Makhumalo to open businesses for Makhumalo, Makhumalo opened businesses for herself. Sometimes Makhumalo was protecting Musamseleku to say Musamseleku was the one who opened businesses for me. But when it comes to other wives, they are started complaining why you are doing those things to Makhumalo, you don't do to us what. Makhumalo was covering her husband Musamseleku, but Musamseleku was giving Makhumalo an advice. Musamseleku gave advices to every his wives, even to Macele, Mayeni and Mangwabe, businesses advices. But Makhumalo always being hands-on. Makhumalo can take that advice and do it and make it in her life, but other wives are very ignorant. After that, Makhumalo is being successful, Mayeni started complaining that Musamseleku is doing for Makhumalo what. That's why Mpumelelo was complaining to Musamseleku. Mpumelelo have to know his position. Mpumelelo knows his mother Mayeni that she is ignorant when it comes to planning things, and they want to blame Makhumalo. That's why Musamseleku have got a pressure to go to took a loan to buy houses, because he knows that if Mayeni knows that Makhumalo buy a house and Mayeni doesn't have a house in town, it is going to be a war. That's why Macele says Mayeni forces Musamseleku to buy a house what. Mayeni was demanding this and that. Some of the things are true when it comes to Mayeni. Mayeni doesn't want any Musamseleku's wives to do something better than her, and she is starting complaining that it's Musamseleku is doing for Makhumalo, why he doesn't do for me those things to me. When it comes to mining business, Makhumalo opened her mining business through Musamseleku's advice, and they are started complaining why Makhumalo doesn't involve even one of Musamseleku's family or Musamseleku's child to work at mine. Makhumalo doesn't want to talk tomorrow, or they are started saying it's Musamseleku's business or it's our father's business. Makhumalo doesn't want to involve even Musamseleku on that business, because she knows that one day if Musamseleku is passed away, they are started fighting on her mining business, and there is no one who can have got evidence that she opened that mine with her own money. They are started saying it's Musamseleku who opened the mine. That's why Mpumelelo was complaining, because Mpumelelo says Musamseleku is doing everything for Makhumalo. Guys, Makhumalo opened many programs, even on television, because Makhumalo, she is always hands-on. Musamseleku was the one who showed Makhumalo that on television there is a lot of money when they are joining other programs. Musamseleku only he was advising Makhumalo. Makhumalo always hands-on. Musamseleku told Makhumalo to open a mining businesses. That's why Mpumelelo was complaining that you are always doing for Makhumalo, why you don't do those things to my mother. You understand it? Sometimes, guys, that child have to know that he is still a child. And there is an issue last time, Mpumelelo and Makhumalo. Mpumelelo asked a knife to Makhumalo. Makhumalo says, go and take at your home. Mpumelelo told Mayeni got angry. You understand it? Maybe Mayeni and Mpumelelo, they are discussing about other wives sometimes. And you saw Mayeni's attitude, how she is. And to discuss issues about Makhumalo, Mangwabe and Macele. Understand? Because some of the things Mpumelelo, he can talk. Sometimes you can blame what, but those issues is about his mother. Mayeni was complaining that why your father is doing all of those things to Makhumalo, what. Mayeni doesn't want to see one of Musamseleku's wives to be or to do something better, because it's her husband's money. She forgot that they are sharing a husband and they have got different dreams. Yes, they are married to a one husband because they have got different dreams in their lives. Makhumalo have got their own destiny, Mangwabe and Macele.